Civil Code is the proposal to replace the personal laws based on the scriptures and customs of each major religious community in India with a common set governing every citizen. These laws are distinguished from public law and cover marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption and maintenance. The UCC is not an invention of the ruling government. It was proposed in the original Constitution of India and was debated in the Parliament in 1949 and later between 1951 and 1954. Even though Prime Minister Nehru was personally in support of the bill, he was unable to convince the other members. Thus, it was agreed to place the responsibility of a uniform civil code on the state by including it in the directive principles of state policy. This ended the first serious debate about the UCC and gave birth to various laws and law boards who created their respective customs and practices for their community to abide by. In the current format, there are different laws for each major community. India is a diverse country and it consists of various communities that derive their personal laws based on their beliefs. The decision of the current government is simply to ensure that we are all governed by a single law. Even the Supreme Court of India has indicated the need for laws that are common to all citizens. The Supreme Court, through its rulings in different cases, has repeatedly given a message that the personal laws are not final. In a country that prides itself on being the world's largest democracy and where debates on secularism occupy the center stage every other day, for a woman of that country to still file petitions seeking maintenance after being divorced in a very abrupt way, it is shameful. Possibly, the idea of different personal laws was feasible before, but given the current scenario and the alarming rise in gender crimes, the UCC will unite the society against evils like gender inequality and misogyny. The entire world is seeing a rise in religious extremism, and India can set a classic example of how a diverse nation can stand united. The youth of our country must come together to redefine secularism. We are quite vociferous on issues like net neutrality, and the UCC too deserves a similar enthusiastic treatment.